Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will be discussing about the process how to register for internship on AICT portal in 2022. The interface for registration has changed a little bit. So I have provided the link for this site in the description box. You can click on that and reach this website. And after getting to this website, you have to click on this student. It will ask for confirmation, confirm it. Then you can choose between, if your institute is AICT affiliated organization, then click on this, and if it is non AICT, then you can click on this. After that, you can go to the university or college name. You can start typing your college name, it will appear. So if we are considering Maulana Azad National University Polytechnic Hyderabad, then it will come by itself. All the details you have been filled by your institute. So it automatically comes as government institute, state and union territory, state or union territory. It is in Telangana and Hyderabad. All the things will come by itself. Your HOD name, head of the department name, region, that is South Central. Similarly, for all institute, just by typing the name, you can get all these columns filled automatically. Then you confirm the above details by clicking here, and now you have to name, write your name, first name, middle name, and last name. This is, suppose your name is Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar, so first name will be Sachin, then second name will be Sachin Ramesh, and last name will be. So in this way you can write the name. Then your contact detail, you can write your contact number, and after that you can write your enrollment number, whatever your enrollment number is there. So you can write your enrollment number here, or the uh, roll number provided to you by the your colleague college, and then enter your email ID here and set a password which can be anything, as you can which you can remember. And after that, there is a security question. This question helps you to recover the password in case you forget the password. So you can say anything. What is your favorite color? You can write it as whatever your favorite color is, so that you can recover the password if you forget the password. After that, you have to write your gender, male or female. You can write, and then select your category: general, SC, ST, OBC, and the category to which you belong. You can select it from here. And then the last thing comes about last past examination. If you are in diploma first year, you have passed 10th and taken the admission in diploma, you can write 10th. If you have passed 12th and then taken admission in diploma first year, then you mark it as 12th. And if you are in diploma second or third year, you mark it as diploma. And here you write the percentage of your latest examination passed. If you have passed 10th just now, write that percentage, otherwise 12th percentage, or diploma first year percentage, or diploma second year percentage, depending upon your class. And here, if we want to write the percentage, write just only numerical values. Don't put the percentage sign here, otherwise it won't accept. And after that, you click on this box that I am not robot, and finally click on this to register. After you register, you will get an email, confirmation mail, to the email ID you have provided. So in this way you can complete the registration process for AICT internship programs. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to the channel. The next video related to what we have to do after registration will be provided soon. Thank you.